you're looking for some big news in the HVAC industry, you've come to the right place. We're currently in the process of building the largest, most efficient HVAC facility in the hemisphere, possibly the world, just west of Houston, Texas. This new facility is being built from the ground up to provide a positive workplace environment, logical arrangement of equipment and material flow, high-speed manufacturing, and the centralization of all internal departments required to create some of the best energy-efficient residential and commercial heating and cooling systems. This will be the first facility in our company that manufactures both ductless and ducted HVAC systems. A primary goal of the completed campus will be to consolidate all the company's manufacturing operations, along with research and testing labs, a sophisticated distribution facility, and the administrative support and infrastructure that go with those functions. With all this under one roof, you can be assured it is a very large roof. The new campus is located on a 500-acre site, which includes room for future expansion. When finished, it will total approximately 4.1 million square feet of operational space. The new campus will be second in total size, only to a Boeing airplane manufacturing plant in Everett, Washington. The finished building area will result in approximately 94 acres under one roof. During the construction of the campus, more than 350,000 cubic yards of concrete and 29,000 tons of steel will be required. This facility is identified as a tilt wall building. With tilt wall, steel reinforced concrete walls are poured on site horizontally, and when cured, tilted up vertically into place. With a total of 370 wall panels, it will also be the largest tilt wall building in the world, according to the Tilt Up Concrete Association. Within the manufacturing and distribution sections of the building, you'll find 57 receiving docks and 228 shipping docks. A stroll around the outside footprint of the building will be 2 miles in length. The facility is being designed to be a leader in energy-efficient operation. For example, we will reclaim up to 96% of the process water, use high-efficiency LED lighting throughout, and utilize high-efficiency climate control equipment backed by more than 5,700 tons of chillers. The land beyond the building and parking will be planted with drought-resistant native Texas prairie grass. A rainwater retention pond will be employed for landscape irrigation and wastewater recycling. The new campus will also be a great place to work. Large industrial air handlers will maintain consistent and comfortable temperature and humidity in the manufacturing area and in the massive distribution center. This is just one example of the many amenities that will help make the new facility a world-class, employee-focused operation. The bottom line is that co-locating engineering, logistics, manufacturing, and customer support will improve efficiency, quality, communication, and responsiveness to our customers. And after all is said and done, the entire facility is being designed and developed to allow us to provide the best products and services for our customers. Right now, we're still in the construction phase of the project, but when we're finished, we hope to host you with a visit. And you too can see in person how we're impacting the world of HVAC. Game on.